everybody. Today we are back at Palm Beach RV in West Palm Beach, and we were looking at this Hemisphere. It is model number 20 BHHL, so let's get right to it. All right, up front you got a little storage. You see it's kind of a funky little split storage there with this big thing here in the middle, but that's all right, it's pretty good. You do have a nice step above step, which is awesome. You actually got a little outdoor kitchen. Look at this little grill, which is kind of cool. There's a little top that goes on here, which is awesome. And then a little micro refrigerator. What's also cool is they're thinking about the pets. That is a little D-ring for you to put your pet's chain on, right? Campers for dog people. All right, anyway, let's take a look. All right, now, it's not upgraded suspension, but these wheels, the axles are sort of spread apart to give you more stability. Now, this being such a small trailer, it's not gonna have automatic jacks. These are just manual crank downs, okay? Though you do have an automatic awning, all right? So you just press the button and the awning comes out, so you don't have to worry about that. So over here in the back, there is a replacement tire, a little spare tire. It's on your bumper, so you don't have to go digging for it. A little shower back here. Here's all your connections for your city water, right back of your hot water heater and all that stuff too, okay? I can't make it down that side. It's kind of a little tight, all right? But your sewer connection is right there, and your connection for your power is right there. Hey Lisa, what are you thinking of this this little micro tiny travel trailer?
It's cute. It's got some nice features to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look behind you. There is a Murphy bed.
Yeah, that's cool. Here, let's show everybody how that comes apart. Here,
Sure.
I'll do it. Yeah, I'll do it. You can hold that. I won't make you do it.
Okay.
Before I pull it apart, though, look, there are some drawers down here. So for storage for your things, there's some storage down there. You also have some storage on left and right. I'm assuming there'd be some hanging space up there, which there is. And then there's also some space down there for storing a few things. By the way, if this is the first time you guys are finding one of our videos, thank you so much for stopping and watching. We really do appreciate it. Do us a huge favor. Smash that thumbs up, subscribe. The YouTube algorithm loves it. It really does help us out a lot. We would appreciate it. For all of those who have already been watching our videos and subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. We do really love you guys. So watch this. This is neat. First things first, these little armrests, they come right off. They just kind of pull up, okay? This, I'll be honest, I have no idea what that's for. Now, there's a little lock right up here. So well, first, before I let that down, I have to let this down. And so you just sort of pull up on the bottom, it just lays flat. It is so simple, okay? And then this just unlocks. And there you go, it's bedtime. Night, night. And that's it. And so it's kind of a conversion. So at night it would be like this. During the day you'd fold it up and you'd have your bed. Pretty cool, huh?
Very cool. Very cool.
So what's going on in the kitchen?
Well, we have a small kitchen. First of all, you'll notice that the TV is in the kitchen.
Yep.
So you do have that, which means there's no storage over here for your plates. You do have a microwave. You've got your radio up here. You have a 3-burner stove and an oven. Now, as far as storage goes, that is pretty much it.
Wow, that is tiny.
Yep, and then
there's a few little things over here.
There are 2 drawers over here.
Do they even open? Yep, they're just tight.
And that angle, I just...
Yep, that's an angle, yep.
You do have the 2 drawers there. Other than that, and the storage you've already mentioned, this is the only storage in here. And these are generous storage cabinets.
Yep, so you can put your pots and pans if you had to in there.
You could.
And a food supply.
Pantry, yes.
Now next to that, we didn't really cover it. We did kind of went right by it is, this is your dinette. Now there is no living room in this particular RV. It's tiny, it's only 20 feet. And so your dinette functions as your living room too, which is why the TV is right there, okay?
As well as the Murphy bed sofa.
Correct,
yes,
correct.
Yes.
Now straight to the back, you've got a couple of bunks. Now these look like true twin type sizes. I actually have my tape measure here. Let's measure this up, Lisa.
Alrighty.
They look like regular twins. 42 by 74. 42 by 74. I have no idea what size that is. Okay. they're on a slant, and I understand why they're slanted here. It's so this door will open and it has some place to go. But you know, we've talked about these mattresses. They're very thin. For long-term use, they're just not very comfortable. But you're not probably going to want to be putting adults up here anyway. It'd be all right for the kids for the weekend or even a week or two vacation. All right, this does have a sliding curtain, which is kind of nice, so there can be some separation. All right, so it's here. Hey, you know what time it is?
It's time for Tall Man's Toilet Test.
This is a perfect bathroom, guys, for a tall person. If you didn't know, I'm 6'4", and so it's tough finding restrooms that are comfortable for tall people. All right, so whether you're a tall guy or tall girl, this is a great bathroom, or at least toilet. Plenty of leg room in the front, plenty of left and right. The toilet paper is already mounted over here, so that's not going to be in the way. This is perfect. So this is going to get... The sink in here is very small. What I mean by the sink, I mean it's the sink and the countertop area. Not a lot of room to put your, you know, say your toothbrush and your, you know, stuff that you would normally have on your counter at home. All right. Sometimes there's a little cup and your toothpaste. It's just not a lot of room there. Okay. There is a little bit of storage underneath. Okay. Not too much, but a little bit. And then there's a little medicine chest up here for stuff as well. Okay. So let's go ahead and over here. Hey, towel storage. I don't know, it's one of my pet peeves in bathrooms. It seems towel storage seems to get left out, but this little one does. And there's 2 hooks already sitting up there for you either to hang your towels or your bathrobes or whatever. So they thought and put those up, which is kind of really neat. All right, so let's climb in the shower. So we're in a 20-foot trailer and I'm in the shower. Now my head is in the bubble. Obviously you can see that from where you're at. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm fine with that. I have gotten used to having to have my head in the bubble. If the bubble wasn't there, I'd be like this. So I like the bubble, it doesn't bother me. And it being right down the middle of the shower, this is perfect placement. The shower head is high enough that I don't have to bend too far. So if you're a tall guy like me, this shower is definitely... Now one other thing, I've talked in almost every single one of my videos about the shower doors. This is one of the ones that I'm talking about. You see how it retracts back in there? This is amazing. You get no water out the bottom. You get no water over the top because it's so tall, right? It's perfect. You don't have to worry, did I latch it when I'm driving down the road if it's glass? It just goes back in and you're done. We've left a link down in the description. If you want to do something like this in your RV, check out the link. It is simple. If you've ever screwed a screw in before, you can put one of these in yourself. So let us know what you think of this particular Salem. It's a tiny trailer. This is our very first time in a Salem, at least one this small. Lots of space. It really does have about everything you need. Storage in the kitchen. It's a little on the light side, but this isn't going to be an RV that you're going to go full time in. This is going to be for short blasts, so it'll be okay. Leave a comment and let us know again what you think about it. Everybody, I hope you're being well out there. Until we see you again, be safe.